It was such a funny show, yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Alright,
Yeah, thank you so much for dropping me.
it's fine.
You want to come up for a coffee or something?
Just water?
Just water? Cool. Welcome to Mi Casa. I had a lovely time.
Me too. Sorry, I'm really sorry.
Mr. Signals again. Don't let your day turn into a disaster. Recognizing these signals can save you from health risks and costly repairs and prevent any messy surprises. Clean, safe drinking water is important for a healthy life, but how do you ensure that? Regular servicing. Over time, filters clog and performance drops, leading to impure water. Regular servicing keeps your water purifier efficient and extends its lifespan, saving you money. Aim for servicing every 6 to 12 months or follow your manufacturer's guidelines. To ensure safe drinking water, track your water consumption. A family of 4 typically consumes about 250 to 300 liters of RO water per month, meaning you might only need to change your filters every 20 months, not annually. Filters that remove contaminants but can clog. Sediment filter captures dirt and rust. Carbon filter removes odors and improves taste. RO membrane eliminates heavy metals and microorganisms. UV lamp kills harmful bacteria. Water storage tank stagnant water breeds bacteria. Pipes and tubing check for leaks and wear. But tracking water consumption can be challenging, especially with non-IoT RO purifiers. IoT-enabled purifiers like DrinkPrime make this easier by monitoring both water usage and filter health. But what if you don't have a smart purifier? You can still estimate when to replace the filter by checking its flow rate. Each filter should maintain a flow rate of at least 100 ml per minute. If it's lower, it's time to replace the filter. This method is especially useful if your water quality fluctuates due to changes in your water source. Next time you're considering a filter change, ask your technician to check the flow rate. It could save you thousands of rupees. How often should you service your purifier? It depends. RO systems need more frequent care due to multiple stages of filtration. Avoid mishaps by prioritizing maintenance. Here are some basic tips for maintenance. Set reminders. Create a maintenance calendar to stay on top of filter cleanings and tedious checks. Consider an annual service contract. Regular professional servicing and discounts can save you money. You can also handle some basic upkeep at home. Regular filter cleaning. Turn off the water and unplug. Remove and rinse filters. Let them dry before reinserting. Water tank cleaning. Drain and clean with vinegar solution. Rinse and dry completely. Monitor performance. Bad taste or slow flow? Check filters. Strange noises? Time to service. TDS level testing. Use a TDS meter to ensure water purity. Ideal range 0 to 200 ppm for drinking water. Each filter should maintain a flow rate of at least 100 ml per minute. If it's lower, it's time to replace the filter. Also, monitor the filling time of the storage tank. If the filling time exceeds twice the normal duration, call for service. If it doesn't improve after service, it's time to replace the filters. By keeping up with these simple tasks, filter cleaning, tank upkeep, performance checks and TDS testing, you'll ensure your water purifier runs smoothly. Stay proactive, stay hydrated and keep your water safe.